Want to explore some backdrop design but not sure exactly how to get started? How about this one? Are you playing it safe with the ordinary colors such as pink or possibly blue because you're stuck on choosing what colors to get or how to pair them? Trust me, I get it. Imagine getting inspiration that pushes your creative juices as well as help your work stand out from what everyone else is doing on the social media, right? Wouldn't that instantly make you fall in love with your business all over again? Hey guys, my name is Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and guess what? They call me the Draping Queen. Now, I have been teaching premium draping for 3 years now, and in this video, I want to show you possibilities of what you can create with one of my latest creations. Because I remember what it was like scouring the internet looking for inspiration or new color combinations, but coming up with absolutely nothing. This was frustrating because it felt like I was stuck doing the same old designs and using the same old boring colors. Now, once I started using some of the tools that I shared with you guys in my other video to help me create some amazing palettes, guess what? I wanted to share those same palettes with you guys as well. Now, does this sound like something that you struggle with also? If drop me a bus emoji in the comments so I can help you hop off the struggle bus. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you can achieve with one of our mystery boxes and a few basic other panels, right? This is a no-brainer for those who are looking to grow their inventory and save some coins by designing new colors they wouldn't really get. So if you're ready to find out just what to do, I want you to watch this video till the end. Okay, guys, so the secret is the mystery boxes, right? Now, you've probably seen all the raves about these mystery boxes. And the one good, cool thing about the mystery boxes is that, for one, you don't really know what you're getting, but you're getting a good combination that you probably wouldn't have got otherwise. And all you have to do is pair it with some other kind of basic panels to get a complete design. Now, is this like a premium design with 20 and 30 panels? No. But can you make this look premium? Absolutely, because you're using premium fabric. In each mystery box, I always put 4 to 6 panels depending on what the mixture is, right? But it's almost guaranteed to get at least 2 premium panels, which would be our sequin blends or our velvet or our taffeta or something like that, right? Now, this is the green iridescent, and this is what would be in this mystery box. So there would be 2 of these, and this actually pairs well with 2 different green blends. So one would either be our green stretch, like an emerald stretch, or it would be our green iridescent, which this fabric is so beautiful, so gorgeous and premium because, for one, it's a nice quality. And anytime, according to where the light is actually shining on this blend, this fabric can look purple sequin, it can look blue, royal, it'll look teal or it'll look green. So it kind of gives you that like peacock feel. So we normally could pair this in our mystery boxes with either a green, and this would be our green or our green stretch. Sometimes it may even be paired with blue, right? Because all those colors really kind of go. So again, in this mystery box, so what I'm going to be demonstrating today is the mystery box with the 2 green iridescent sequin blends and the 2 green stretch blends. Now, only thing I'm doing is pairing this with only 2 of our black velvet, right? Our black velvet is going to act as our base layer, which will be our first layer, which is our backing. And I'm only going to design this entire backdrop with the 4 panels that I just mentioned. So let's check that out in the next clip. Okay, guys, so it's various different ways that you can thread your drape, right? Now, since I have a minimal amount of drape, sometimes if you do not or have not purchased a recipe from me, one of the easiest ways to remember the order of sequence for your drapes is to just toss it on top of your first layer, right? These 4 drapes is going to be on my second layer, which is my second crossbar. And so for me to visually see where they're going, instead of them being on the floor where I would have to bend and lift and bend and all that, I just would throw them over the first drape so that way I could just pick them up and thread them, pick them up, thread them. My other easy technique is just putting them all in the cusp of my hand, but I've already showed you guys that technique so many times. I kind of wanted to show you one of my other techniques, which is easy so you can visually see exactly where your panels are going. So remember, for good posture, right? You always want to make sure you're standing directly under the crossbar. And then you just pick up your drape and you just thread it, right? The reason why you want to do it this way and not any other way, like standing in front of the crossbar, behind the crossbar, because your hands are still free. Your hands are free to do anything else you need to do. So I'll thread, slide over, Get my next piece. This saves a lot of time with setup because I don't have to sit there and kind of remember where the panels are going. Now, it's not that hard this time because I only had 4 panels, but guys, this can get really boggling when you have 20 and 30 panels, right? Now, another disclaimer that I want to share with you guys. Some people visit our website and don't clearly read the description, and it's in big, bold print, that these panels do not come pre-sewn, guys. These are pre-cut panels of fabric. You are responsible for getting them sewn, getting them, you can use witchery, stitchery, you can use pins, you can use whatever you want. But remember, the panels that we have on our website are not pre-sewn. They are just pre-cut 12-foot sections of fabric. So once you get all your fabric up, this is just a basic 4-panel, simple design, but it's going to turn out, for one, so superb. And I'm going to kind of just space my panels out. Normally I do a really clear measuring technique. I'm not going to do that for the sake of this video. But if you've been in my class, you know exactly how to do this. I'm just going to kind of guesstimate. Just want to make sure everything is kind of full. Take a stand back. Even them out a little more. Now again, the sake of this video is not about measuring techniques or nothing like that. So it's about the mystery box. So now that we got the fabric on, now we're going to raise our design and show you a simple, easy technique and how you could just pick up a mystery box yourself and obtain the same look. Let's watch the next clip. Okay, so as you guys are lifting your design, you always want to definitely start with the top bar. This is something I stress in class, especially if you have the 3-piece Posh Premium set, such as these 3 pieces like this. Because if you get to raising your unit and you raise the second bar first and you raise it and then determine later you want to raise it even higher, you're not going to have access to your top bar because it's already going to be all the way in the air. So you're not going to be able to have access to it to raise it any further. So definitely remember that. This is something I just talk about verbatim because it's a common mistake that a lot of newbies make. So just kind of remember that. And I'm just raising this design. I have no set height in mind. You guys, if you're familiar with how I drape, I do tend to go at least 11 feet, which is just beyond 10, and try to get as close to 12 as possible. I'm not going to do 12 today because I don't want to lose the frame for the actual video. But I do want you guys to see a snapshot of the backdrop to see just how premium it look with just only this little bit of fabric. This is only 6 panels of fabric. Starting with my sequin, one of my simple basic techniques. And for this design, I actually do not have a pole cover because the whole purpose is to show you something super basic with minimal design, but I'm still covering the pole with my actual panel, right? You still want to cover your pole. Still want to cover that, right? So let's just do something like that. Then to give it something different instead of 2 like just basic swags, I'm going to kind of just give it a little tuck. Make it look a little different. And again, guys, this is very basic design, but like this is something that would look like stunning with minimal drape. I know you guys see me drape with a whole bunch of drape, but this one way that's showing you guys that you can achieve premium draping with just minimally 6 panels. Same thing. Cover your pole. Now, the easy part is once you have covered everything, you kind of just want to stand back and look and see what's not even and what is, and make any imperfections you need. Then definitely puddle up your bottom. Then I'm going to do something a little different than the standard tiebacks. And I'm just going to add some greenery just because it's different. I don't really have no theme going on here, but y'all know I like doing things that are different. Okay, so there you have it. So now you can check out some of these photos and see exactly how this turned out from top to bottom. Have this video helped you better in just what to do with a mystery box? You can easily thank me by liking this video to help me reach 1,000 likes. Not to mention, it's absolutely free to do and only takes 1 second. I know your girl is worth 1 second, right? So if you struggle with premium draping techniques, no worries, because if you're watching this video, it's a good chance that you're looking to learn or possibly enhance your draping skills. And what better way than to learn from the draping queen herself? So I want you to check out those links below in the description where you can immediately take advantage of ways to learn directly from me. I have an 8-city tour approaching in June, and some of those cities are already almost full, right? Don't miss out on those locations, because guess what? We will not be returning until 2023. It would be such a shame if a competitor in your city attended my class and they go back and kill it. You already know who everybody is going to be booking, right? So why don't you stop playing so you can make sure that they're booking you. So go check those cities out today. Now, next up, some of you may still have your short draping panels because you possibly started off buying the wrong things. You're going to want to watch my next video, because on Monday, I'm going to show you exactly how you can still use those to achieve a premium draping design. I hope you're subscribed. Remember to turn on your notifications bell so you know exactly when the video uploads.